What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to master a song in FL Studio 20. So without wasting much of your time, I'll urge you to subscribe to this channel and then turn on the notification bell so that you can help the YouTube algorithm to recommend my video to people who want to learn these tricks and methods. So first of all, let me play the beat for you to know how it sounds. Okay guys, so I don't want this video to be very long, so I will pause for here and then show you the tricks on how to master a beat in the FL Studio. So guys, all you need to do is to pull up your mixup channel. So I'll pull up my mixup by clicking on this mixup button over here, and all you need to do is to click on master, select the master, and pull up your Fruity limiter. Yeah, so if you are doing instrumental, you want to export instrumental, all you need to do is to master this instrumental for it to sound dope in the speaker. So guys, all you need to do is to check this place, because all the amount that you pull up on this beat will show over there. So guys, what I do always is to push this gain to at least 2.5 a little bit whilst I'm listening to the beat. Yes, so all you need to do is to follow my steps, and then after that we export this beat and we're gonna show you how it sounds before and then after. So I'll reset it and then play it this before. So guys, this is how, without the Fruity limiter, this is how it sounds, and with it. So when you're using a headset, you can hear the differences. So guys, this is the simplest way of mixing your mastering your beat before you get out there. Yeah, so guys, if you like content like this, kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop one amazing video, YouTube will send you a notification. It's your boy Rich One here, and then see you next time in my next video.